Okay, what do we got? I'll go into more detail once I get this out of here. Excuse me, I only got one. So, it comes with the trail cam. Strap, downloader for putting on the computer, a bracket, and the hardware, and a booklet. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. The channel is doing well. It's growing, and I just love the comments. You guys are a good bunch of guys, and you know, started this channel not for anything other than to maybe help somebody out as a hobby, you know. So with that said, today is that upside down? No, I'm reviewing this trail cam, Toguard H40-1. So the cost of it is, I think, $50. I bought 4. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you it's worth the money. So if you don't go any further in the video, it's worth the money. I'll just read, you know, what it has. 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels still image resolution. You can have 1080p, 720p, 480p HD video recording. It's a 2-inch display. It's a 22-meter range for the infrared, 75 feet, 22-meter triggering distance, 120-degree sensor. That's the lens angle, 120. It's 0.5 to 0.8 second trigger speed, which is pretty good. And it says up to 8 months standby time. Well, standby if it's not doing anything else, maybe. And it's IP56 waterproof level. Now, with that said, I believe that you won't be disappointed with this camera, but I'm hoping to give you some night footage and day footage. I'll put in some day pictures as well as night pictures. And regards to setting, I do have it set on 1080p. You'll need a 32 gigabyte memory card, or less, I guess, but I think it can go up to 32, and I recommend a 32 because if you're a type of guy that's going to put this at your cabin and you're going to try and track moose, you're a hunter, whatever, but you leave it up there and it's all winter and you go up in the summer, then you want enough memory card to not get filled up too soon.